Our first step is to cut the OEM carrier. If your car has a heat shield between the exhaust and the drive shaft, remove that first. Make a cut where the mounting tab meets the rest of the carrier frame. If you need more room to work with, you can lower or remove the exhaust. Now unbolt the carrier from the body. Flip it around and thread it back into the body to gain access to the top of the carrier frame. Make another cut. Now, use a razor blade to cut all the way around and remove the inner frame from the rest of the bearing. Then make a cut here, at the front of the bearing, where the rubber feels noticeably softer. All the way around. Cut the remaining excess rubber rib until it's nearly flush with the back of the bearing. Leave the base layer of rubber intact. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. Now install the new carrier. Take the top half, put the bushing in it, and put it over top of the bearing, with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then, bring the bottom half up to meet it, and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. Now, to mount it to the car, take your bolt, put a fender washer on it, an isolation damper facing up, go up into the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, and then put your small washer on the very top. Loosely thread it into the body. Same thing on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper, up through the carrier, another isolation damper down from the top, and small washer on the very top. Thread it into the body and tighten both bolts to 19 Newton meters, and enjoy your new JXB driveshaft carrier.